Hi everyone. Today we will be going over autism spectrum disorder and the intervention methods that we can apply to the wide variation of symptoms. Today we'll be speaking on applied behavioral analysis, and basically applied behavioral analysis is the basis of intervention methods to help autism spectrum disorder. It's basically the ABC model. It's the easiest way to remember it. Basically, the A stands for the antecedent, the behavior is what occurs, and the consequence is what happens immediately after the behavior. Behavior is defined, obviously, it has to be observable and measurable. Um, Basically, all events are brought about by other events, what happened before them. Behavior is no different in this regard from the subject matter of other sciences. Something makes it happen, and the scientific task is to discover what kinds of prior events bring it about. And in ASD, due to so many variations of symptoms, um, it is very, very important to discover what happens prior to the behavior in order to help with treatment. ASD, which is known as a spectrum disorder, um, referring to the wide variation of symptoms. Therefore, not all treatment will be the same, and it will vary depending on your patient. ABA will help to give professionals a starting point when treating the communication barriers and behaviors of those suffering from ASD. There is no cure for ASD, and it's a lifelong disorder. Effective treatment can help with the symptoms of ASD. Social communication, repetitive behavior, and obsessive and restrictive interest are some of the barriers associated with ASD. ABA is a basis for treatment, and it can help in treatment and be used in the home and the community settings. Prior to a behavior occurring, there's always usually a trigger, which will be the purpose of the behavior in order to provide effective ABA treatment. A consequence, whether positive or negative, must occur immediately after the behavior. ABA is based on positive and negative reinforcement. Positive reinforcement happens when desired behavior is displayed, and negative reinforcement is the removing of reinforcement when undesired behavior is there. Helping professionals with a starting point in treatment options in ASD will only help in providing effective treatment. The earlier the treatment, the more effective recovery, as well as finding the right treatment for each ASD patient. Um, ABA is a starting point for professionals seeking to treat ASD patients.